Curious Cosmos presents, ever wondered why a whip makes that cracking sound? It's a sound that has fascinated humans for centuries, from ancient times to modern days. But what exactly causes it? Is it just the whip hitting something, or is there more to it? Let's dive into the science behind it. The answer lies in the physics of motion and sound. When you crack a whip, you're not just making a loud noise, you're actually engaging in a fascinating dance with the laws of physics. When you crack a whip, you're actually breaking the sound barrier. Sounds impossible? Well, it's true. The whip's tip moves so fast that it surpasses the speed of sound, creating that iconic cracking noise. But how does this happen? Let's break it down! The whip is a long, flexible tool that tapers to a fine point. When you flick it, a wave travels down its length, accelerating as it goes. This wave gathers speed because the whip's mass decreases towards the tip. The tip of the whip moves so fast it reaches supersonic speeds, faster than the speed of sound. This means it's moving at over 343 meters per second, the speed at which sound travels through air. This rapid movement is what creates the whip's crack. As the whip's tip moves faster than sound, it creates a tiny shockwave, similar to the one produced by a jet breaking the sound barrier. This shockwave is a sudden change in air pressure, and it's this change that we hear as a sharp crack, which is what makes that sharp crack. This phenomenon is known as a sonic boom, and it's the same principle that applies to supersonic jets. When an object moves faster than the speed of sound, it compresses the air in front of it, creating a high-pressure wave. That crack is actually a miniature sonic boom. It's a small-scale version of what happens when a jet breaks the sound barrier. The whip's tip moves so quickly that it compresses the air, creating a shock wave that we hear as a crack. It's the same phenomenon that happens with supersonic jets. When a jet travels faster than the speed of sound, it creates a loud boom as it breaks through the sound barrier. The whip's crack is a similar, albeit much smaller event. That small but mighty sound is the result of air pressure changes. As the whip's tip accelerates, it pushes the air molecules out of the way, creating a high-pressure zone. When the tip moves faster than sound, this high-pressure zone collapses, producing the crack, as the whip tip breaks the sound barrier. This is a remarkable example of how everyday objects can demonstrate complex scientific principles. The whip's crack is a testament to the incredible speeds that can be achieved with simple tools. From ancient cowboys to modern-day circus performers, the whip has been used for various purposes. Cowboys used it to herd cattle, while performers use it to entertain audiences with their skill and precision. The crack of the whip still fascinates. It's a sound that captures our imagination and reminds us of the power of physics in our everyday lives. Whether it's in the hands of a skilled performer or a curious scientist, the whip's crack is a marvel of motion and sound. Follow Curious Cosmos for more mind-blowing science. We explore the wonders of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vastness of space. Join us on this journey of discovery, and learn more about the amazing world we live in. Like, share, and subscribe to Curious Cosmos for more awesome science mysteries. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes where we unravel the secrets of the universe, one fascinating topic at a time.